Welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Andy here again. Great to have you back with us today. Today we're going to be reviewing the JBL Charge 5. Now why I'm so excited to be reviewing the JBL Charge 5 is that we wanted a Bluetooth speaker we could use outdoors, when we're swimming at the beach, at the park, something that could use good sound, use around the home, and we got the JBL Charge 5 and we're really surprised with how great this Bluetooth device is. It's actually excellent. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the JBL Charge 5 to look at what comes in it, talk about some of the features. We're actually going to go and use it out on the beach, at the pool, having a barbecue, so you can see how good it works and how you can see how the IPX67 dust and water resistant really does work as well. They're going to go test out the sound, so you can see how great the sound quality is. You're going to be really impressed. Talk about some more of the features and benefits, and finally give our final review about what we think of the JBL Charge 5. But it really is an excellent speaker. We're very excited to be reviewing it today. Make sure you check out our other JBL reviews on Mr. Yoo-Hoo as well. We've done quite a few of them. As always, JBL does always impress with the quality of the product, the sound. I mean, it's fantastic. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, put in comments what you think of the JBL Charge 5. Let's jump in and do it right now at Mr. Yoo-Hoo. And here we are with the JBL Charge 5 speaker. Really excited to be unboxing this because it looks really great. Now, as you can see, there's a speaker there. Use Bluetooth 5.1, which is excellent. Previously, it was 4.1, big improvement. As you can see, it's got a nice light weight to it as well, while it feels like it's got a quality build at the same time. So let's open up and have a look. So there's your instruction booklets, etc., which we'll go back to in a moment. So take it out of the box. It's wrapped nicely in this cloth, which does protect it. Just move that to the side. So here's the speaker. Now, doesn't that look nice? Doesn't it look like a great quality product? The JBL logo is emblazoned in the front, which I really like. I think it looks fantastic. And there's the speaker. So there's the woofers at the back, where the sound comes out of, which we'll be demonstrating shortly. There's the back where you can charge it, but also you can also charge other devices when you're on the go. So this can be used as a power bank as well, which is great. So go to the top, so you turn it on there, connect to the Bluetooth, the volume up, volume down. That's where you connect to Party Boost, where you can connect multiple devices all at the same time, which is excellent, and also to play and pause your music too. Now, it comes with 20 hours battery life. Doesn't take long to charge because USB-C fast charging. I've been using it for a couple of days now and haven't need to charge it, which is excellent, but it does depend on the volume. There you go. So it looks like a great quality speaker. Now, it is IPX67. We're going to be demonstrating that shortly to show you how durable that is, how great it is. The sound is exceptional as well. When you actually put it down, the sound comes out of it this way too. So, and the woofers move at the back there. So we'll be demonstrating that shortly when we do the sound test. But it really is a great looking speaker. It really is lovely. Let's go and take a look at the instruction booklets too. So here's where you got all the information regarding the speaker as well, which you can go to in your own time. So as always with JBL, they have the quick start guide, the information about the products. You also have the cord as well, which you can use to charge it to a plug mount as well. So it really is a lovely speaker. So anyway, we can't wait to get in and start reviewing this speaker and actually having a look at how it performs. So let's go do that right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing the unboxing of the JBL Charge 5. As you can see, it's got a lot of fantastic features in it. It's got a great build and the product looks really good. And I can't wait to test it out for sound, which you're about to see shortly. Now, based on sound, there's been a number of improvements from the JBL Charge 4 in this. Now there's the 52 by 90mm bass driver. It's a couple of millimeters wider than before. And there's also a new 20mm tweeter. These used both have dedicated power as well. 30 watts for the woofer and 10 watts for the highs. There's also Bluetooth 5.1, which is Bluetooth 4.2, with significant improvement on the previous model, which is great. The JBL Charge 5 also features Party Boost, which you can press by connecting other Bluetooth devices. What it enables you to do is it connects all the JBL Charge 5s and other JBL compatible speakers together to form one system. And that also gives you the stereo sound in it as well, which is great. So what I'm going to do now is actually go and use a Charge 5 out and about. So I'm going to go and use it at the beach, at the pool, outdoors, even before I go to sleep, so you can see how effective it is. You can see how the music works really well in different types of environment, and also how the IP67 really does help keep the JBL Charge 5 working no matter where you are. It's excellent. And by the way, I've only charged this once, and I've used this for a couple of days now as well, so the battery life is exceptional as well. So anyway, let's go and jump in and have a look at outdoors right now. So So here we are at Surfers Paradise Beach, about to use the speaker while I jump in the water. The JBL Charge 5 is excellent for outdoors, sand, water resistant, it's great to use. So now I'm going to go duck in, do some swimming, and yeah, have fun listening to the speaker. Now I'm sitting out here at Surfers Paradise, the beach in the background, lovely view, having a drink, and the sound is so soothing. It sounds really clear, and it really feels like the apartment. That's the great thing about the speaker. You can take it anywhere. You can sit it outside, you can go for a party, you can take it to the pool, you can take it to the beach, and it sounds really good. And anyway, I'm going to just sit back here, get some more rays, and really enjoy this music. So the great thing with this JBL speaker is you can use it in the water. As you can see, it's sitting in the water at the moment, playing the music as well, here in a pool next to the beach. And the great thing being waterproof is you can use it anywhere. It's fantastic. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy my swim while you guys enjoy the music. Now, despite what a lot of people think, Mr. Yoo-Hoo does get tired sometimes, and it's probably all the videos I sit there making, trying to bring a bit of excitement back into your lives. Well, nothing more to do is the JBL Charge 5 is perfect for when you go to bed. The reason being is because the sound can be you can turn the sound down to be quite soft. It sounds really nice. Actually, I feel like a bit of a kid right now. JBL Charge, let's put you on and let's have a bit of relax. As you can see with the IP67 rating, the JBL Charge is fantastic to use out and about. And the great thing is with the rating, it's dust and water resistant and also sand resistant, as you can see at the beach, which means I even got some water on it and it still worked well, which is fantastic. And because of the 20 hours battery life, it can last all day and even the next day. That does depend on how loud you have the sound as well, of course. But it's a great speaker, it charges very quickly, and with the port at the back, you can also charge your devices too, which is really, really good. An excellent speaker, particularly for the Australian environment, using outdoors. It's really good. JBL, you've done a great job with it. Okay, so what was Mr. Yoo-Hoo's final view? Well, we found the JBL Charge 5 to be exceptional. The sound quality is extraordinary. As you could hear from the sound test we did, the trebles were crisp, the bass was heavy, the sound was clear, and you could really hear the voices and the music coming through. And in a large room, this would fill up the room with sound. In a park on the beach, you could hear it quite easily. As you saw even in a pool using it in the water, it was great. You ever saw on the beach, we got it wet, actually rolled into the ocean, picked it up, and it worked fine. So, durable, great sounding, great quality. And I like the functions like the party boost as well, which is great. The sound features as well, as we talked about earlier, are excellent as well. It really is a great speaker. Now, for around the $200 mark, you won't go better with doing this. It's actually a lot better than a lot more expensive speakers I've reviewed as well. So you won't go wrong with the JBL Charge 5. It really is excellent. Now, this is the grey one. 8 other colours as well. I'll let you guys choose which colour you find best. But finally as well, the Party Boost feature on it as well is really, really good, as we spoke about earlier. By pressing it down and connecting automatically to other JBL speakers, you can literally have up to 100 speakers all playing the same sound. Also like how you can connect multiple Bluetooth devices, like a couple of phones to it as well. Really, really handy. Very, very quick to charge, long battery life, 20 hours. All in all, it's now my go-to speaker when I'm going out. It really is good. So now, I hope you enjoyed the review. Let me know what you think about the JBL Charge 5. If you've got the JBL Charge 5 yourself, as I said, a great little speaker. Really enjoyed using it, and I'm going to be continuing to do it for time to come. Anyway, make sure you check out other JBL reviews, our other videos of Mr. Yoo-Hoo as well, and let us know what you think about the JBL Charge 5. Again, you can purchase the description, But thanks again for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo. That's all from me at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.